In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your WordPress site private. Whether you're working on a new site, developing content that isn't quite ready for the public eye, or simply want to keep your site private for invited viewers only, this guide will walk you through the steps needed to ensure your WordPress site remains accessible only to those you choose. First, let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for all things WordPress, and from here, you'll have access to all the settings and options you need to change the privacy of your site. Once you're logged in, look towards the left-hand side menu and find the Settings option. Under Settings, select Reading. This is where you'll find key controls for your site's visibility among other things. Now, when you're on the Reading Settings page, scroll down until you see a section titled Site Visibility. This is where you'll determine who can see your site. You'll notice a few different options. The first option allows search engines to index your site. But, since we want to make the site private, we'll focus on the fifth option from the list, which essentially stops search engines from indexing your site entirely. Before you make your selection, it's important to know that this setting is not foolproof in making your site completely private. It's simply a recommendation to search engines. For full privacy, there are extra steps you can take. Keep this in mind as you choose to adjust your site's visibility. For a more controlled and private environment, consider using a plugin like My Private Site, which offers you greater control over who can access your site content. Head over to Plugins in the WordPress dashboard and choose Add New. In the search bar, type in My Private Site. Install and activate it from the results. Once activated, go to the new My Private Site option in your dashboard menu. From here, check the box labeled Enable Login Privacy, prompting visitors to log in before accessing your content. Save your changes, and now only people with login credentials can view your site. In crafting a more personalized user experience, consider jumping into the settings within My Private Site to customize messages for visitors who attempt to access your site without logging in. A brief message directing them or explaining that the site is private could be helpful. Finally, for those working on a team or sharing content with select individuals, create user accounts for those authorized and provide them with login information. It's a surefire way to ensure those with permission can access what they need without exposing the entire site publicly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain the privacy of your WordPress site, keeping your content secure and accessible only to those you trust. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions in the comments below.